Welcome to Creating Fleet Work Orders. My name's Bill Jackson. Creating a PubWorks fleet work order provides many benefits. It provides maintenance history for equipment. This could be especially useful if you need to provide maintenance records for equipment under warranty. Creating a maintenance record to track equipment maintenance costs can help determine when or if replacement equipment is required. Users can enter any combination of employees and/or contractors when creating a fleet work order. This is very useful when some of the maintenance requires outside contractors for specific duties such as engine or transmission overhaul in combination with on-site shop work such as the labor to replace or install the new drivetrain components. There are 4 steps to adding a PubWorks fleet work order. Creating a fleet work order by simply selecting a piece of equipment from the drop-down menu. You select an employee and/or contractor for each work order detail. You add parts used or consumed to the fleet work order. And then when done, mark the fleet work order as complete. So let's take a look. To create a fleet work order, start with the main PubWorks menu located at the top of the main PubWorks program screen. Select Fleet and Fleet Work Orders. On the Fleet Work Order screen, select either the equipment code or name of the desired piece of equipment. Enter the current hours or miles of the piece of equipment. Select a priority or reason code if applicable. At this point, you can save the fleet work order and add parts and labor at a later time. Next, we will want to add some work and consume some parts. With the desired fleet work order open, select Edit and then select Add New Detail. The fleet work order detail screen opens. Select an employee, enter the number of hours the employee worked. Move halfway down the screen to the Parts Used and Task Performed section of the Fleet Work Order detail. Enter the part number or description, add a task code, and then enter the quantity of the part used in the detail. Once entered, hit Save. You now have a new sequence number, and any parts consumed can be seen in the Parts Used and Task Performed section of the Fleet Work Order screen. If you make a mistake or forget to add parts, don't worry. Simply highlight the particular detail and select Modify Detail. This way you can come in and add additional parts or labor time as needed to correct any mistakes you may have made. Here I'm just going to cancel this one. To use a contractor in a fleet work order, the procedure is very similar. Start by clicking Add New Detail. Instead of selecting an employee, select a contractor. Since there is no need to track the hours for the contractor, simply enter the cost of the invoice in the Cost field of the Fleet Work Order detail, then click Save. The contractor now shows under the employee/contractor detail of the Fleet Work Order. Once all work has been completed, check the Complete checkbox at the top and hit Save. The Date Out field will auto-populate with the calendar date. Add any additional notes if you need, but otherwise this fleet work order has been completed. That's all there is to it. Now you can run reports on the maintenance performed. If you have any questions or anything, call PubWorks support 888-920-0380 extension 2 or drop us an email at support@pubworks.com. Thank you.